Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to clear chat history right here in Claude AI. So if you want to do this, first thing that you need to know that if you write something down right here, so how are you, then you will see on the left right here your chat history. So once you created right here some good conversations, you see right here at recents that it's standing right there. Now we want to delete this. So let's say we go to chats and then you will find right here all the chats that you created. So let's say we want to delete the greeting chat right here. Then we click on the check mark, then we do delete, then we do delete right here. And now we deleted right here that chat history. Let's say we want to delete everything. Then you can select right here on this one, check mark this, and then you can select right here all your chats. And then if you click right here on delete and do delete right here, you deleted there all your chats. So this is how you can clear right here your chat history in Claude AI. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.